Hello, this is Group 16's 3D print project. Basically what I decided to come up with was my take on the front wheel of a railroad steam engine. So essentially this wheel would have this handle going through this little hole. This is the axle for these two right here. And the wheel would go on the axle here, and it would push this rod, this cylinder or piston through the cylinder here, and it would essentially rotate sort of like this. So the wheel, this would be the handle, go around, and the pole would be pushing the piston in and out of the cylinder, and the 3D print looks like this, and essentially it rotates, and I cut the top off so you can see the piston sliding back and forth in the cylinder. Alright, thank you.